Good evening. Today I am going to show Linux Lite OS. It's an Linux distribution based on Debian and Ubuntu, created by team programmers led by Jerry Bezencon and in 2012. And it's an customized and implementation of XFCE desktop environment and runs on main Linux kernel. So here the features we required and all is like it's an free operating system based on Ubuntu, LTS long term support, series release, stable operating system that can be used regularly. So now we'll just open this and we'll just download it and we'll check for the features and all. So now I just open Google Chrome and typing there as Linux Lite. Here you can see Linux Lite OS. Linux Lite easy to use free Linux operating system. HTTPS is there, hypertext transfer, protocol secure, and this is the screen appeared. And here download features, home, support, feedback, many are there. Multi-icon download. Here Linux Lite, Windows 11 is there, and just will scroll and will check for the features and all. 4 GB RAM, memory, storage 64 GB. So here Linux Lite ISO image has been downloaded. Now we have to download Rufus for booting of pen drive. So open Google Chrome and type there as Rufus, RUFUS, and just enter. And then after downloading, after completion, enter, and here you can see screenshot of Rufus. Scroll down and Rufus 4.3 exe standard Windows x64 is there, 1.4 MB. I'll just download it. And portable is there and x86 is there, ARM, but I'll go with first option. One download in progress. So Rufus download has been completed. After completion of Rufus download, just double click it, open, and then insert 16 GB pen drive. And then you have to make sure that your pen drive data has been copied in some other device, because your pen drive data will be erased. So here I inserted 16 GB pen drive and then start. And OK, write in ISO image mode, OK. And here warning message has been came that your data will be erased in your pen drive. So make sure that your pen drive data must be copied in some other device, OK. Lite welcome. So I restarted my system and here screen has been appeared, and here you can see this PC user friendly, control panel, network, and help manual is there, trash is there, install Linux is there. So live section, user favorite, you recently used, all application, my computer, these all are the features and settings. So many of them are there, and this is based on Linux and all. So Make sure if you people also like to install, just go with this process and just download it and see for this advanced features and all. Now I'm opening control panel, and here we can see many of the features. See, accessibility, light network, shares, light DM, GTK is there, and here many options are there. So network option is there, and settings, my computer, templates, pictures, system, package, many are there. So if you people also interested in this, just download it and just check for these features and all. Hope if video is good, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.